Why should I clean my PCBA?
There are a number of contaminants that are commonly found on PCBAs. Residual etchants from the original bare board fabrication, dust from bare board drilling, cutting, and scoring, fingerprints and skin oils from board handling, silicone and other oils migrating from other processes. What we're going to be focusing on are flux residues because they're the most common concern. During the soldering process, flux is used to facilitate the soldering of components onto the PCB. If not properly cleaned, the leftover flux residues can lead to coating issues, corrosion, electrical leakage, and shorts. Rosin and aqueous fluxes should always be removed as soon as possible after the soldering process. This is because these fluxes leave behind ionic material. Dendrites or conductive branches are formed when ionic residue meets with humidity and electrical current. These conductive branches have been known to even form underneath conformal coating, leading to current leakage and eventually electrical shorts.